All right, so we're going to make a rectangular garden. How exciting. And we're going to draw a picture labeling this garden in our little walkway. And it says to label them, so we're going to put this as our garden. And this space here is our walkway going around our garden. And then here it says the length is 5 times the width, so I can make one of these dimensions be W, and then the other one is 5W. And then you want a walkway that's 3 feet wide, so that means this distance here is 3 feet, and this distance across is 3 feet. But be careful, because you have 2 of those, so if that's 3, this is also 3 over there. I'll just make a note of that. So as I'm reading and labeling the entire thing, because it says label the dimensions of the outside of the walkway, I'm going to look at, this is 5W, and this line is parallel to it. So I'm going to say it's 5W plus this 3-foot section plus this 3-foot section. And that's really going to be 5W plus 6. And then going up, the W is going up, and this is parallel to it. So it's W plus this 3-foot section plus that 3-foot section. So it's W plus 6. And we've already answered, let's see, 1, 2, 3. We're now on number 4. It wants the area of the garden and the walk combined. So that would be the whole thing. So find the area of this whole region. So I'm going to multiply those, and I'm just going to use the box method as I multiply. And showing my work, I get 5W times W is 5W squared, 5W times 6 is 30W, 6 times W is 6W, and 6 times 6 is 36. And my diagonals are my like terms. So that answer for 4 is going to be 5W squared plus 36W plus 36. So 4 is good. 5 wants just the walk only. So it's just this region. I'm going to shade in here. Just this walkway right here. So I take that whole area and I subtract out the area of the garden, and I'm going to find out the area of the walkway. So I already have the whole region. That's this right here. The area of the garden is just going to be 5W times W, which is 5W squared. And I'm subtracting that out. And how did I get that? Well, it's 5W times W. It's length times width for my garden. And if I had multiple numbers there, I would have to make sure I'm distributing that negative to both of them, but I just have one term there. So that becomes, these cancel, and I just get 36W plus 36. And I'm done with 5. And then 6 says, see, this is my area, this number I just got. It's the area of the walk. And the question says, I'm going to use this much gravel to cover the walk. So I'm just going to set that equal to the area that they gave me here, the 270, and I'm going to solve for W. So minus 36, and then I get 234 equals 36W, and I divide by 36. And I get W equals 6.5, and the units for that, since that's in feet squared, this is just going to be in feet. All right, now the other dimension, we have the width now, we just need to find the length. So, and this is for the garden, so I'm reading very carefully there, it's the garden's dimensions. So the garden is 5W and W. We've already found W, so we found the height there, or the length rather. Actually, it's the width. We found the width, and we need to find the length. So we're going to plug in 5W. So 5W is just going to be 5 times that. So 5 times 6.5 should give us 32.5 feet. So our two dimensions are 6.5 feet by 32.5 feet. And that's all there is to it.